Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on how to add a matching game to your course on Foundation LMS. The matching game enhances engagement and reinforces learning by helping students visually connect key concepts with related images, deepening their understanding of the material. First, you are going to navigate to an online course for which you would like to create a game. From the dashboard, first click Courses, and then click Online Courses. Here, you find your course, click Course Builder, click Add New under Curriculum, and select Game. Now we'll select Matching. In the Game Title field, we will enter the name of our game. The game title will be visible to the student when they take the course. The passing score percentage is the minimum score a student must earn in order to pass the game. This is an optional field, so if you leave it blank, the student will be able to advance to the next course step regardless of their score. The retake limit is also an optional field. It's a number of times the student may retake the game if they do not earn the passing score percentage. If the student exceeds the retake limit, they will be redirected to the previous module in the course so that they can review the educational content and then try again. If you set the retake limit to unlimited, students can retake the game as many times as needed. In the Select Game Style field, choose whether you want the students to drag text to an image or drag an image to text. By default, the game style is set to drag image to text and starts with 3 matching items, but as you'll see in a moment, this is customizable. For each item, enter the text in the Match Text field and upload the image that the student will match to the text. You can add more matching items by clicking the Add button, and you can delete them by clicking the X mark on the top corner of the item. Now, we are going to navigate to a student account to demonstrate what a matching game looks like from the student perspective. This sample matching game was configured from the Drag Image to Text option. Note that the minimum passing score is displayed at the top of the page. Here, we are matching a skyscraper, a bridge, and a mountain to the correct text. After a student clicks Submit, they will see the final results page. Here we see our final score. The final results page also indicates whether our selections were correct or incorrect with green and red borders respectively. Thank you for joining us to learn all the capabilities of the matching game on Foundation LMS.